Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Quick Settings. Click the network/volume/battery cluster at the lower right. Once the overlay appears, look for the brightness slider. This is the only built-in fast control. If you don't see it, make sure your display drivers are installed and the system is not locked to external display settings. You'll use this slider now to set an approximate level before refining in the Settings app, so move it briefly to observe immediate change. Once done in Quick Settings, open Settings and go to System, then Display to fine-tune. You'll find a more precise brightness slider. Use it to reach the exact percentage you want. Make sure to select the correct display if multiple monitors appear. If brightness jumps or is grayed out, disable Adaptive Brightness or HDR temporarily. These features override manual control. Adjust slowly and watch the screen for color or contrast. To finish, test your chosen brightness on battery, and while plugged in, because power profiles can alter the setting, switch profiles as needed. If the slider is missing or erratic, update or roll back your display or graphics driver in Device Manager and reboot. Also check any vendor power utilities. They can override Windows controls. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking brightness control. Then uninstall that app and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.